Which motorcycle helmet with a retractable visor is actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to find the right one. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Balboa Full Face Helmet. First up is the Balboa Full Face Motorcycle Helmet. Priced at $59.99, this helmet caught my eye with its sleek, glossy black finish and lightweight design. If you want solid protection without the bulk, this is worth a serious look. It weighs just 1450 grams, so you won't feel weighed down during your rides. Plus, it has multiple vents for optimum airflow, essential for those hot summer days. The included tinted visor is a great touch, providing UV protection and reducing glare. Now, some people complained about the fit being a bit snug for larger heads. Here's the thing though, if you have an average head size, you'll find it quite comfortable. But if you do have a larger head, you might want to look elsewhere. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, full-face option that delivers on safety and comfort. Skip this one if you need a helmet that accommodates larger sizes, but for the price, it's a solid value. Now, if that snug fit worried you, the next helmet might be a better fit. Product number 2, YEMA Open Face Helmet. Next is the YEMA Open Face Motorcycle Helmet, priced at $69.99. This helmet stands out with its dual sun visor design, which I honestly didn't expect but found incredibly useful. If you want versatility without sacrificing protection, this is a strong contender. The DOT certification ensures it meets high safety standards, and the advanced ABS shell gives you that confidence on the road. Plus, the adjustable vents keep you cool on those long rides, which is a game changer in hot weather. However, some reviews pointed out that the helmet can feel a bit loose during high speeds. Here's the thing, if you're riding at slower speeds or just cruising around town, it's not a deal breaker. But if you're hitting the highway, you might want to check for a snugger fit. This is perfect for you if you enjoy cruising on diverse routes and want the freedom of an open face. Skip this one if you're strictly a highway rider looking for something more aerodynamic, but it provides great value for the features. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for comfort and safety. Product number 3, VCAN Cruiser Half Face Helmet. Now let's talk about the VCAN Cruiser Half Face Motorcycle Helmet, retailing at $59.49. Right off the bat, I love the classic look and feel. If you want something that's comfortable yet stylish, this one's worth considering. The high-quality ABS resin shell meets DOT standards, ensuring you're protected without compromising on comfort. It offers great visibility while protecting you from the sun's glare, which can be really distracting. Plus, the lush interior padding makes it comfy for all-day wear. But here's the honest flaw. Some users noted issues with the sizing being a bit off, especially for those with larger heads. However, if you're in the average size range, you'll likely find it fits perfectly. That said, make sure to check the size chart before purchasing. This is perfect for you if you're after a blend of style and function for those casual rides. Skip this one if you need a full-face option for maximum protection, but it's a great value for a half-face helmet. Now, if you're looking for something with more versatility, the next helmet might catch your interest. Product number 4, ILM Modular Full Face Helmet. Up next is the ILM Motorcycle Dual Visor Flip-Up Modular Full Face Helmet, priced at $89.99. I was genuinely surprised by the sleek design and its functionality. If you want a helmet that combines safety with convenience, you should definitely consider this. The modular design allows you to flip up the front, which is fantastic for when you're stopped at lights or need to communicate with others. It also has an anti-scratch and anti-fog visor, so you can ride worry-free in various weather conditions. This helmet meets DOT standards, so safety is guaranteed. It weighs a little more at 2.31 kilograms, but the comfort level is impressive thanks to the soft, removable liner. Some users felt the weight could be cumbersome during long rides. Here's the thing though, while it may feel a bit heavy, the added features justify the weight for many riders who prioritize versatility and comfort. This is perfect for you if you enjoy long rides and need a helmet that adapts to different situations. Skip this one if you prefer a lightweight option for quick trips, but you're getting quality for your money. Now, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option with good features, let's check out our final pick. Product number 5, OneStorm Half-Face Helmet. Finally, we have the OneStorm Motorcycle Half-Face Helmet, priced at just $44.95. This helmet caught my eye with its stylish design and retractable inner smoked visor. If you're on a budget but still want style and safety, this might be your best bet. The lightweight thermoplastic alloy shell is designed for durability while remaining easy to wear. The retractable visor is a nice feature, allowing you to adapt to changing light conditions without hassle. Plus, it meets DOT safety standards, so you know you're protected on the road. However, some reviews mention the padding could use improvement for long rides. Here's the thing, if you're using this for short trips or casual rides, it's perfectly fine. But if you plan on being on the road for hours, you might want to consider extra padding or comfort options. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a stylish, budget-friendly option that still meets safety standards. Skip this one if comfort on long rides is your main concern, but for the price, it's a great deal. To wrap up, we've looked at a range of options from affordable full-face to stylish open-face helmets, all with retractable visors. Each offers unique features to suit different riding needs and budgets. In conclusion, whether you're after an affordable full-face helmet, a versatile open-face option, or a stylish half helmet, there's something for everyone on this list. Investing in the right helmet can truly enhance your riding experience while keeping you safe. So which one will you choose?